Hi, I'm Bob Scheid, President of Quality Vision Services. Every one of our calibrations is more than just taking a measurement and generating a certificate. Each one of our calibrations represents more than 70 years of combined experience in the design, development, manufacture, and distribution of world-class metrology equipment, and we bring all those to bear in our lab here in Rochester, New York. 800 square feet of our Rochester, New York headquarters is dedicated to our calibration laboratory. Over the last few years, we've made significant investments in the HVAC system and our filtration systems to assure that we're able to achieve the uncertainty levels and precision that's required of our customers. Unique elements of QVS is that we are co-located with the rest of Quality Vision's international headquarters here in Rochester, where our research, development, engineering, and manufacturing resources are based. This allows us to continually improve the equipment that we use by employing the latest technologies that are coming from these functions and bringing them to bear in our calibration lab. The most important part of our operation is our people, and the technicians that are in our lab have spent their time not only in the lab, but in nearly every other element of QVI operations, from software, manufacturing, engineering, so that they are able to bring those decades of experience to bear in the work that they do for you every day. In conclusion, everything I've described doesn't help if we can't get the product out the door. So over the last few years, we've made significant investment in the systems and processes behind what supports the lab. So we're now in a position where we can reliably provide turnaround times of 10 days or less on every artifact that comes through our operation. We look forward to your business. Thank you.